Good day. So this is our available units as of this May. So we have 450 MT, V-Strom 650, and sports nato nga CF Moto 450 SR, Celsi, Voom 500 SR. We also have discounted scooter from Kimco, Brusky Modenas from Kawasaki, Click 125, 160, ADB, and PCX. So natay isa ka dirt bike, Yamaha, and nasa tayo pang business, negosyo nga mga bike. Yan natay pang malakasan nga daily bike. So natay Honda Beat, Click. So natay yung Click. Bago diri guys, giyamo ng gilil pasinawan daan. Then natay Kimco, natay Dink 150, natay mga big bike scooter, maxi scoot I mean. Ngayon natay Kawasaki Z500. We also have Ninja 500 and more.